ready for processing.
Remember, full hand wash and sanitize before entering. Yes, Supervisor.
Understood?
Ready to go?
Let's go.
Conveyor 1 is running at optimal speed.
Copy that. Monitoring for deviations.
Alert on temp sensor 3. Check it. On it. No impact to production. Deliveries here. Let's get these pallets moved.
Okay, bringing the first one in.
Clear. Coming down.
Looks good. Let's check the seal.
Seal's intact. It's clear. Check these first ones. Weight and size consistency.
Right. This one looks good. Uniform shape.
Agreed. Quality is consistent.
Good. Next batch.
Proceeding.
This one's still moving around. Help me hold it steady.
Got it. I'll secure the other side.
Good. Now slide it forward.
Check the turkeys. Make sure the marinade is even.
Right. This one looks good. How about that one?
Needs more on the breast. Use the brush.
Got it. All set.
Great. Let's get them in the oven. Temperature's holding steady at 350.
Good. Check the timer.
5 minutes, 23 seconds. I'm bumping the temp to 355.
Okay, set.
Looks good. No alerts.
All right, conveyor is moving.
Check the color. It should be a deep, even golden brown.
This one looks perfect. Skin is tight and glossy.
Good. Now check the internal temp.
It's 165. This batch is ready.
Let's check the temp.
Okay, go ahead.
It's 165. That's safe. Good.
We can serve it.
Breast coming off clean.
Wings are next. Keep the pace. Legs separated. Moving to the bin.
Lines flowing well.
Good work. Next batch.
This batch looks good. Firm texture, good marbling.
Agreed. Let's check the next one.
This one has some bruisings. Set it aside.
Noted. Continuing the inspection. This one's expiring in October. Check it.
Got it. The seal looks good.
Date's clear, no damage to the box.
Agreed. Mark it as passed.
Next one.
Let's move. These turkeys won't store themselves.
Got it. This box is heavy.
Careful in the cold section.
Watch the stack.
Good work, team. These go to Chicago. Stack them on the left.
Got it. On the left.
Los Angeles crates are ready.
I'm bringing the forklift.
Destination, Los Angeles. All set. All right, first pallet loaded. Keep them coming.
Got it. They're heavy. Watch your back.
Stacking them tight. Next one ready? Yeah, coming in. Almost done.
Last one.
All right, let's get this turkey opened up. There we go. Looks perfect and steaming hot. Nice and moist, ready to slice. Wow, this turkey looks incredible.
It really does. Everything looks perfect.
I'm so hungry.
All right, let's eat. Yes, pass the rolls, please. This turkey looks amazing. Shall we?
Yes, let's dig in.
Son, would you like some turkey?
Yes, please. It looks delicious. I'm so thankful for this meal.